Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Apple Store billing problem. Alright, so let's begin. This issue usually happens when certain restrictions are turned on, which can prevent purchases or billing from working properly. The good news is that you can fix it in just a few steps without needing any technical knowledge. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down a bit and look for the Screen Time option, then tap on it. Now inside Screen Time, scroll down again and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. After opening Content and Privacy Restrictions, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Now tap on the In-App Purchases option. If it is set to Don't Allow, this can cause billing issues or prevent payments from going through. So what you need to do is simply change it to Allow. Once you enable this option, your device will no longer block purchases and your Apple Store billing problem should be fixed, and that's it. This is how you can fix Apple Store billing problem. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.